Okay, so this is your deltoid. This top part right over here, labeled number 2, is a supraspinatus. This area right here, labeled number 3, is an infraspinatus. Number 4, right over here, is the teres minor. Number 5 is the teres major. So when you flip it over to where your scapula would be, this is the subscapularis. Right over here is where your biceps is. So this is a biceps brachii. This side is going to be the short head. It looks bigger, but it's the short head. And then this side, labeled A, is going to be the long head. So when you take off this piece, so you take off the biceps, deep under, labeled number 8 right over here, is called the brachialis. Okay, right next to it, this little skinny piece right here is called the coracobrachialis. Okay, going towards your triceps, this is called the triceps brachii. So this is a tricep brachii medial head. Triceps brachii long head. Triceps brachii lateral head. Okay. So now going towards your palm facing up. This is a pronator teres. Okay, this one coming down over here towards your thumb is the flexor carpi radialis. The middle one right over here down towards your palm is a palmaris longus. Okay, coming down this way, this one is going to be the flexor carpi ulnaris. So this whole side is going to be your flexor side, and then you just kind of name it accordingly to, you know, the radial bone is radius is on this side, and then the ulna is on this side. Okay, so now in the middle, which is the palmaris longus is laying on top of it, so this middle part right over here is called the flexor flexor digitorum superficialis. So when you take it off, this part is the flexor digitorum profundus, and this is the flexor pollicis longus, because the pollex is your thumb. Okay, now going towards the back. This piece right over here is the anconius. Right over here is the, sorry. Okay, right over here is the brachioradialis.
And the fibers come up like this. It would be on both sides.
This one right over here is the extensor carpi radialis longus.
Intercostal muscles.
Extensor carpi radialis brevis. So it's a shorter one.
Or the external.
Right over here is the extensor digitorum. Okay. Right over here is the extensor carpi ulnaris. Okay, now when you take this piece off, number 28 right over here is a supinator. Number 29 right over here is the abductor. Oh my goodness, I've got this one. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
I just said it earlier.
This actually,
Abductor pollicis longus.
is the sternum omphytomastoid.
Okay.
The platysma
Okay,
would
right
cover
next to it,
and
right
it's not
over
shown
here,
on the model here. It's shown on that model
is
over
the
there, the Head and Shoulders
extensor
model.
Okay.
Okay.
pollicis
Everything else is
brevis.
correct.
Sorry, I know it looks
You don't
longer,
have
but
the
it's
masseter labeled, the
brevis.
masseter.
Okay. Meaning
And then the one right
Yes.
next to it is the extensor
Yeah, otherwise-
pollicis
perfect.
longus.
Excellent. Thank you.
So I kind of remember like longus, brevis, longus. Okay, and that's all.